Nice.
Thank you.
That looks good.
Thanks.
I like it. The amps are underneath. Battery and amps are hidden.
So you got the...
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Nice.
Thank you.
That looks good.
Thanks.
I like it. The amps are underneath. Battery and amps are hidden.
So you got the amps, yeah. The amps for here. I got Alpine 4-channel and then a Scar 4-channel.
Okay.
Got the crossover with the tweeters.
Yep.
Mini DSP.
Okay. What type of scars are these? The VXF 12?
VFX, yeah.
Okay.
12s.
Sweet. Can I get a demo real quick?
He's working over there if you want to go. Yeah.
Kind of water, dude.
Nah, man, I sure don't.
Do you know, is there a port?
No, it's sealed.
Sealed enclosure, okay.
Yeah.
212 sealed. All right. What was your name?
Jeremy.
Jeremy, okay.
Yeah.
Jacob.
All right, bud. Good to meet you, man.
What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Jeremy's system. Really looking forward to showing y'all how it sounds. A very unique style system. Don't see a lot of these type of boxes, especially being a sealed enclosure. This was at the TD8 show in Virginia of 2021. Team Deadly Hertz. He did a really good job laying it out. I don't know if he got it installed or it was somebody at a company that built it for him, but nice layout, having the actual amplifier batteries underneath of the box, and then you can see the subwoofer amplifier there on the right is actually above the box. Try to get a little close up for y'all to be able to see every detail. Some videos I don't, but this one I tried to. Be sure to give him a like if you haven't already. Did a really good job with the demo. So this is a sealed enclosure. I didn't get the exact specs, but normally sealed boxes are smaller than ported boxes. They might not be as optimal for output, but they get really good clean bandwidth sound and a good flat end response, I've noticed. I've only heard about 20 to 25 sealed box enclosures, but it definitely gets the job done in a tight space. So you notice he has plenty of room as well for him to have his seat sit all the way back, and he doesn't have to worry about any issues. So I have a question. Do you invert your subwoofers or do you mount them regular? Let me know in the comments on what your feedback is on that. I know majority of people I see for some reason like to just have them mounted regular, but if you invert them, you get to see the motor, a little better cooling. You also get to kind of have a bigger box enclosure since the motor's not taking up space inside of the enclosure, and it may be easier to wire up. You can notice a little quick close-up shot of that 3,000 watt amplifier he has mounted above. So he didn't really say what the spec was on it, but it's a 2900 Apocalypse from Def Bont's amplifier. So we're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy the demo. Sorry I did have a little bit of copyright issues, but I got to enjoy it and show y'all. Enjoy.
I toss and turn, I keep stressing my mind. I look for peace, but see I don't attain. What I need for keeps this silly game we play. Now look at this. Madness, the magnet keeps attracting me. I try to run, but see I'm not that fast. I think the first, but surely finish last. Cause day and night, the longest owner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone through the day and night. The lonely owner seems to free his mind at night. Day and night. The longest owner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone, some things will never change. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. Within his dreams he sees the life he made. The pain is deep. A silent sleeper, you won't hear a peep. The girl he wants don't see no one in two. It seems the feelings that she had her through. Cause day and night, the longest longer seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone through the day and night. The longer seems to free his mind at night. Day and night. The longest longer seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone, some things will never change. The lonely longer. I toss and turn, I keep stressing my mind. I look for peace, but see I don't attain. What I need for keeps this silly game we play. Now look at this. Madness, the magnet keeps attracting me. I try to run, but see I'm not that fast. I think the first, but surely finish last. Cause day and night, the longest longer seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone through the day and night. The longer seems to free his mind at night. The longest longer seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone, some things will never change. The lonely longer seems to free his mind at night. On the phone, the longest longer, Mr. Sono. He's on the move, can't seem to shake the shade. Within his dreams he sees the life he made. The pain is deep. A silent sleeper, you won't hear a peep. The girl he wants don't see no one in two. It seems the feelings that she had her through. Cause day and night, the longest longer seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone through the day and night. The longer seems to free his mind at night. Day and night, the longest longer seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone, some things will never change. The lonely longer.
I noticed we had the windows down, door shut. It was a little louder than with the truck open.
Yep.
So, appreciate the demo. What was your name?
Jeremy.
Jeremy. Okay.
Yeah.
Jacob.
All right, bud. Good to meet you, man.
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.